Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Chrome Select Profile on startup. You can check that when you open Google, the window will be displayed where you can choose the profile to use. To remove this, you can click on the menu of the profile you do not use and then choose Delete. You must confirm this by clicking Delete again. Additionally, uncheck the box Show on Startup. When you complete it, open the desired profile. To verify, close Chrome. When you access it again, you will validate that the recently used profile opens, but it does not show you all the profiles. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.